In this video, I'll be showing you how to add watermark in Canva. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. You can do it on literally anything you're on. So I'm going to be doing this on my PC. So what I want to go ahead and do is just open up whatever I'm basically making. So let's just say I'm going to be going ahead and making or working on something like this. So all I want to go ahead and do is I could go ahead and either make a little watermark, or I can go ahead and import one. So if I have like an image for a watermark, I go to uploads and then just upload something. So let's say this is my watermark. All I got to do is add it. It's going to look like this. And then if I want to, so let's say I want to fill the background up first with this original image, then all I got to do with this one is I can resize it, put it wherever I want. Generally, most watermarks are circles. So if you want to turn yours into a circle, go to elements and just type in circle over here. You're going to be prompted with this. And then I can drag and drop my watermark into here. I can double click it, move it around however I want. And now I'm just going to go ahead and move this, let's say to the bottom right. And then all I got to go ahead and do is go ahead to this transparency layer. And then I'll be able to have the watermark like that so no one can steal my content.